Right, welcome everybody to this onboarding session tonight. To welcome our new people in the business. Um, and it says, welcome to an exciting future. So yeah, the future, we never know what is coming next, what is coming tomorrow. Oh, sorry. I didn't start with screen share with sound. Otherwise, you won't hear the power, the
At
sound.
Neolife, we're extremely proud of the unique company culture we've cultivated. Our culture isn't just words on a page or fancy quotes, it's a living, breathing concept that inspires our daily actions and decisions so that we can fulfill our mission of giving everyone the power to live healthier and happier lives. The foundation of our culture is built upon our 5 core values. Number 1 is absolute integrity. We use this as a litmus test. We ask, is this decision or action in line with our value of absolute integrity? And if not, we simply don't go there. Number 2, people are number 1. People are what make this family special, and we will never forget that. Number 3, products that work. Put simply, quality without compromise. Number 4, an equal opportunity for all. No matter who you are, you'll be welcomed into our global family. You'll be treated with respect and given an equal opportunity for success. We truly celebrate inclusivity and diversity. And number 5 is a long-range vision. Decisions are made not only for the next year or 6 years, but also for the next 60 plus years. We want to leave the world a better place than we found it for generations to come. So those are the 5 core values that are foundational throughout our sales field, promoters, customers, members, and employees. We also have 5 company values, and these are values for our corporate employee team members. These define our internal culture, who we are as people, and are intended to give us all clarity on what we hire, fire, reward, and recognize people based on. These 5 company values help us to attract like-minded people and weed out the others. So our company values are number 1, be a good person. We bring our best selves to work. We act with integrity, honesty, transparency. We're good listeners. We treat each other how we'd like to be treated, with respect, humility, and care. Number 2 is be bold and wise. Our collective wisdom grows when we learn to tap our courage, allow ourselves to take smart risks in a drive to win. And number 3 is be an ultimate team player. We're accountable individually, but always thinking beyond ourselves, unselfishly helping each other and adopting a positive attitude and fun towards collaboration. Number 4 is be the solution. We're problem solvers. We think outside the box, leverage our creativity and innovative spirit, knowing that we'll never be satisfied with good enough. And 5 is act with purpose and passion. We do our best work when we inspire and are inspired by our mission-driven business partners on their path to success. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all you do, the passion, hard work, and talents you bring to the Neolife family. Together, we will end the trend of poor health and financial stress.
Right. So step 1 is to register. And Natalie, you already done that. So that is where you begin with any new person you bring into your business. You unlock your wholesale discount on purchases. So when you register, you automatically get the products about 20% cheaper. It varies between the skincare, the home care, and the nutritional ranges. That's why we say more or less. It gives you access to the Neolife compensation plan. So if you're a distributor and you earn and you do more than a certain amount of points per month, then you also get a kickback bonus. And it plays an appropriate initial product order. So when you start, it is good to start with an initial order or a first order so that you start with your business, you start using the products. There's no point in registering and never order a product. Right, so step 2 is the onboarding. You book a date for your onboarding session and start your business with Neolife. And that is what we do tonight. So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. I will never phone you and ask how many PVs did you do, or did you do this, or did you do that, because it is your own business and you need to run it the way you feel fit. I'm not going to put stress on you. I'm not going to make you do anything you don't want to do. It is all up to you how you want to run your business, because it is your business. But we and the company support you with the logistics, with the kits, with the distribution of the products. You don't have to organize it. You just put in the order and you know the order is coming to your door. The literature and sales ad you can buy online. The sponsoring you do online, the ordering you do online. The staff is available if you want to talk to them. You can talk. We normally phone Sweden. Lena, I normally talk to Lena, or there are other people in the office as well with whom you can talk. It's a toll-free number. So if anything go wrong, you can't find me, you can phone the office yourself. I can give you the toll-free number. It is 0800 145 6550. So you can phone anytime and ask them for help. They are very, very willing to help. Okay, the products which is available, there are 3 ranges. It's your nutritional range, your skincare range, and your non-toxic whole care range. They are all brilliant, and I use them all for over 30 years now already. Now, why do you want to build a business for yourself? So you need to find a reason. Different people have different reasons why they do it. When I started, I just wanted to make money to pay for my daughter's products, and to earn a little bit extra. At that stage, I really wasn't interested in building any big business. I always said, this is my pension scheme. So over the 30 years, I did a little bit here, a little bit there. And the day when I decided I want to retire, I went full-time in the business, and now it gives me much more than when I was a teacher. So it's a nice pension scheme. I never have to ask the government for money or moan when things don't go well, or, like that, because they don't really have an influence on my pension. Other people want to do it for their family. Other people want to do it for a fancy house. Other people want to travel. Other people just want to use the products. That's also okay. There is space for everybody in this business, but you need to decide what you want to do. If you want to be a customer, that's okay too. We can send you a customer link as well. If you go on your website, you will see there is a distributor link and there's a customer link. You can send your customer the link and they can register for free. They get about 5% discount and they can order their own products online. I like not to do this. I like to post my products to people, because when I do that, I put a little sample in. I put a little Elevate with a flyer to tell them what to do. Or I put 3 sachets of Pro Vitality in with a little flyer about the Pro Vitality, which you can buy on your website, just telling them what is a Pro Vitality. It also opened the chance for you to send them that link where Louis explained about the breakfast pack, or Dr. Susan Beck explained about the breakfast pack. Or you can go to boards, you can send them the link about Elevate. So it just opened more opportunity for you to speak to the people than to just send them a very impersonal customer link. They go and they order their products online and you never have to deal with them again. So it's better to keep in contact with your customers. So I post it out myself. You can book it on Royal Mail. They pick it up at your house, they take it to your customer, and it costs about £5, which is the same which the company asks if they send a package to a customer. Now, when you start your business, the first very, very important thing is to use your own products. And we normally say start with a breakfast pack. The breakfast pack is the New Life Shake and a Pro Vitality. It replaces your breakfast That's why they call it a breakfast pack. And it actually doesn't cost more. Lots of people these days, when they go to work, they stop at Costa, they buy themselves a sandwich and a coffee. And if they buy that, it's about 8 to 10 pounds. Well, the breakfast pack costs you, as a distributor, it costs you about 5, 6 pounds. I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely is less what you pay at Costa for a coffee and a sandwich. So it's not extra. It's just replacing your breakfast with something decent. And then also, I don't say go and throw out all your home care cleaning products, but when you finish something, start replacing them with your own home care range. So, because they're also non-toxic, they're non-caustic, they're environmentally friendly, and they are concentrate. So, if you can understand the concept that you maybe buy a 5 liter Super 10, it costs you maybe, I don't know, 30, 40 pounds, but that lasts you for 7, 8 months, and it replaces all that caustic cleaning products which you put under your kitchen sink. So you're not going to buy all of that. You can buy this, and then every month you put the money away which you normally used to pay for cleaning products, and you will see you're going to have more money in your kitty than when you used to go and buy all these toxic cleaning products. Then also you must start with your own skincare range. The skincare range is the best you can find. They make them in France, off the coast of Molenbeek. I don't know how you say it. My French isn't really great, but off the coast of Brittany, the Isle of Molenbeek, something like that. But it is really the sea water is the base, and they also, when they harvest the seaweeds and things which they use in the skincare range, they do it by hand, not to disturb the environment. So they don't go in with machines. They are very aware of the environment. So all I can say, they're in the same class then, I think it's La Mer, which is a very expensive skincare range. We have that Cosmos seal, which I think we're about the only company who have that seal. Maybe La Mer have it as well, but very, very important to have that seal to say that it is organic as well. And then the third thing is to educate yourself. Now you can educate yourself on Telegram. I can add you to all that groups. There are constantly questions and answer on there, but there's also a business group and a nutritional group with lots of videos to educate yourself. There is on Facebook, but I'm not that mad about Facebook. It's, it's time wasting for me. I like Telegram and boards. There's also the websites. The websites is also brilliant. If you have the time to go and sit, we gave you the password before. I'll share it later again. And you can go and log in and watch all these videos and trainings and everything else. But I think at this stage, the best app to have is boards. Because on boards, Louis is training each product bit by bit. And out of there, you can send people, if people ask you questions, you can send them the video of the product. There's also testimonies on there, and you can send them the testimonies from boards. So take the time and go and learn how to use boards. Then you have to go through the 7 skills. We do it on a Monday evening. Tonight we did skill 1. So we will go for the next 7 weeks. We will take 1 skill at a night. But I also sent you, when you're new, I sent you the link to watch the skills. It's always good to watch it a second time or a third time or a fourth time. You always find something new to learn. Then it is good to go on the mentoring calls, which is once a month. Last Saturday we had the mentoring call, how to win friends and influence people. Louis normally give a book before, and then there's an audio link where you can listen to the book and make notes, and then they discuss the book in the mentoring call. So it's a really good one, and it's normally 4 o'clock on a Saturday. and it's the second Saturday of each month. 4 o'clock is the mentoring call, then 5 o'clock is the recognition. And the last Saturday, Louis actually had an hour of questions and answers on health questions. People sent in the health questions before, and he went through it, tell people what to do, and then what protocol to use for it. It was really brilliant. And Arlene will definitely, I think she started sharing it on Telegram already, so you can go and listen by yourself to it again. Attend all team trainings, like we said, Monday evening, and then Wednesday evenings is the business training. It is 7 o'clock UK time. Herman do 1 week the business training 7 o'clock, and then the next week Jill is doing 7 o'clock a business. He do the Wednesday evening a business talk, and then that videos which is shared with customers, then customers can come and listen, and then Thursday evening 7 o'clock he do a business training. But I really want to suggest that you don't invite people to that calls if you didn't speak to them before, or maybe didn't take a coffee shop chat booklet and went through it with people. They must know a little bit when they go on that calls. Otherwise, sometimes it's a shocker to them. Right, so there is the different skills. The one is to get the names list. You can use name joggers. There's lots of things. Maybe think when you go and marry again, who would you invite for your wedding? And sit and write down all that names. And it's good to start with about 200 names when you're new. The more names you have, the bigger your business can grow. Your names is your assets in this business. Skill 2 is inviting. And also here you need to learn to set up three-way calls. You can either set it up with Chris or you can set it up with Louis on Calendly. Because by using a third party is always very good, because people tend to listen more to a person they don't know than they know very well. And that's actually very sad, but that's how life is. Skill 3 is presenting. Skill 4 is follow up. Skill 5 is the close. Skill 6 is getting started, and skill 7 is selling events. Right, there is the different things where you can learn. We already went through this and, tell you it's important to download these apps. That is all the team support, and Louis pay for boards, so please never ever go and pay for boards. There is the websites, which he pay people to keep it up to date and to run the websites for him. The password is Empower. For baldeagleteam.com, that's the business one. Vibranthealth.life is the health one, and the password is renew. So take a photo or write it down, but there you will also get a lot of answers if you look for training and good videos to look at. Right, the next thing you need to learn is how to tell your story. If you don't know your story, then people are going to walk over you. Because Chris normally say, you know Chris talk a lot, but he talks so much you never get a chance to ask anything. So that's why if you know your story and you can tell it, then people are not going to ask you a lot of questions. If you stand and then people are going to ask you a lot of questions and you not always know what to say. So how do we tell our story? We call it a 60 to 90 second story. So when you move up in this business as well, Louis is going to ask you to share your story on a Saturday at a recognition call. So you must learn your story, that when Louis asks you a story, that you can tell your story. Okay. So your first story is you need to get yourself a health story. Okay. And your second story is a business story. Now, with a health story, part 1 is your background. I will give you mine to give you an idea. Now, my background is my oldest daughter was very sick. She had severe respiratory problems, and in her first year, she was on antibiotics from the start, almost every month. And she wasn't 18 months, they took her tonsils out because they were rotten. And I think it's because of all the antibiotics she used. So, I couldn't see that that she ever going to be a strong young woman. And that really was very hard for me as a young parent. At that day, I only was 24 years old, and I come from a sports family. And when these doctors told me she's always going to be sick and poor and, never going to do any sport, I sulked for a little bit. And then I decided, no ways. So I know the struggles we went through, and it was really heartbreaking. So the people must feel your pain, what you went through, and then you get the solution. Then I had friends who think enough about us to share with us about the non-toxic cleaning products. And I didn't even blink. I immediately started with the cleaning products. And within the first month, I could see that Sophia was improving so much. Her eyes was always like swollen up and red, and that started disappearing. And then I thought, if the cleaning products is this good, surely the nutritional products, I can try that. And we also went to San Francisco, and we went and checked out where they make these products. I wasn't going to give to my 5-year-old little girl just anything. I wanted to make sure whatever I give her is good. So then you tell, what did you find? And then the next bit is the future. How did you feel about the future? When I saw Sophia improving and she started participating in sport at school, man, it was so fantastic that I started running with her. I started playing tennis with her. And I could see that, we're going to leave that behind. Luckily, my friend who was a doctor, she said to me, don't listen to everything these specialists tell you. You go and find your own way to get through this. And, get something which is non-toxic and organic and can help you. So that's exactly what I've done. And since then, we never look back. Today, Sophia is 40 years old, and there's nothing wrong with her. And the same way, you're going to find yourself a story about business. The same thing I can say. At that same time, when I was looking for these products for Sophia, when she get better, everybody was asking me for advice. So I sent them to the people where I bought the products, and I lost the profit of making anything. So that's when Chris said to me, are you stupid? You're giving all your money away. So then I started the business side of it, and within 6 months, I made my teacher salary. So, anyway, that's your next video.
Setting and writing down goals for your business is an important step for success. I love the quote by Jim Rohn, goals. There's no telling what you can do when you get inspired by them. There's no telling what you can do when you believe in them. And there's no telling what will happen when you act upon them. It is key that you set specific goals for your income and rank advancement level in your Neolife business. Your income is important because it's a direct reflection of the number of people you're helping through your business. The more people you help, the more income you can earn. Write down your monthly income goal and your income target for the next 12 months. Start by writing down your reasonable goal for the average monthly income you desire to earn. What does that equate to for your yearly income goal? Pause this video right here and write down these goals. Now, double your reasonable goal and write down your BHAG, your big, hairy, audacious goal for your average monthly income and your yearly income. Next, let's set a goal for your rank advancement level. I encourage you to refer to the Neolife compensation plan for details on our rank levels. You can also work with your upline leader or a member of our field development team to help you set this goal. To set this goal, what rank do you need to reach in order to achieve your reasonable income goal? For example, maybe your goal is to earn $3,000 per month or $37,000 per year through your Neolife business. And the compensation plan, you'll see an example of how to earn this and more with a One Ruby business. So, One Ruby is your rank goal. Now, using your income goal, write that rank down and make sure you understand the qualification criteria to achieve it. Next, write down the date you want to achieve that rank by. Pause this video right here and write down these goals. Now, what rank do you need to reach in order to achieve your big, hairy, audacious goal for your income? And when do you want to achieve that rank by? So, congratulations. Thank you for identifying, writing down, and most importantly, acting on your goals. It is a key step for success.
Right. That is when we now get to goal setting. Okay. Oh, sorry. It went on. This is what I've done. You take this big sheets which you buy. You can buy it at WH Smith or one of that places. It's these huge sheets. Then you fold it that you have 9 blocks. Can you see? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. Then you write down short term, and I know it look much better when you type it all up and it look all fancy. But then I listened to my previous one, I did that. Then I listened to Brian Tracy, and he said, you have to handwrite this, because by handwriting this, it actually go into your head, and that make you remember your goals. Where if you type it up and you just stick it, it doesn't do the same for you. So you write short-term goal, medium-term goal, long-term goal. And you want to do it for new life. The steps you need to take. So Carla, I think you at manager step. So your short-term goal would be senior manager. Then and then for Natalie, your first goal would be to go manager. Manager, I'll get to what that is. Medium-term goal then, Carla, would be for you to go executive manager, and your long-term goal would be to be a director. Okay, so you're going to do your short-term goal you can do within the next month, 2 months. Your medium-term goal you can do within, the next 6 months. And your long-term goal you can do within the next year or 2 years. Okay. Then you go for the material type of stuff. When you make some money, what will you do with that money? Okay, so I wanted to buy myself a little, what is it, Henry or Betty or whatever. I like that little thing for a vacuum cleaner. It looks stupid, but I don't know. I bought myself a pink little one. Just to know. I had these fancy ones, but then I had a wool carpet and it pulled out all the wool of my wool carpet, and that's why I bought the Betty then. Okay, then I wanted to do a high tea at Harrods, and I wanted to do a high tea at the Shard. I love a high tea or an afternoon tea, English afternoon tea. Oh man, and I love that one in the Shard. I think it was really great. Then a medium-term goal. So this is costing, say, up to £100. This one is, I will say, from £100 to £500. A spa weekend away, or Marby earrings, or a more fancy vacuum cleaner or whatever. Then a long-term goal is maybe a holiday. I wanted to go to Valencia, and then last year the company went to Valencia, so I got it all in one go. Okay, so a holiday away, or a boat trip, or I don't know, whatever you like to do. And then you have your spiritual goals. Like Carla, you went to that detox in Portugal. That is a type of spiritual type of goal you want to do.
I'm actually doing a detox at the moment. The near life one, 3 days. Today's my first day.
Yes, but this would be a more fancier thing.
Definitely. It's a very expensive one.
I'm sure. I think that one you will put at the long-term goals, Carla, for normal people. Or you want to go to America to leadership, the John Maxwell leadership course, or, you know, I don't know, go to India for something nice there. It's a long-term goal. They have really nice retreats where you can go to. You know, but there's so many things which you can do, but you need to find your spiritual goal. I still want to go and listen to Andrew Womack in America, and I want to go and listen to Joyce Myers in America. So, you know, different people have different goals. You must find what you want to do. But if you do this, it looks stupid. But it is really important in this business that you know what you're working for. Because remember, that £39 you pay for your business, it's not even what one of my running shoes cost. So it's not going to make you work. It's not going to remember, oh my word, I paid this. If you bought a McDonald's and you paid £1 million for it, you will know to get up 5 o'clock in the morning and get the shop going, that the burgers can fly out the room, because you must make that money to pay it back. But because this costs so little, people buy it and forget about it, and they just leave it. Okay. Right, then, be your own best customer. When people visit you in your house, they must see your products, because if they don't, they're never going to believe you. Okay, so replace all your home care products. Replace your skincare and personal care products, because you need to know what they do to be able to tell other people. You can't tell people, man, this is a fantastic antioxidant cream, and then you never used it. You don't know what to do. I can tell you this, Carla. When Joanne turned 16, you can ask her. We moved the year before to the UK, and we decided we leave everything in South Africa. If we're going to make it in the UK, we must make it with the money we make here. So money wasn't a lot, and she knew it at that stage, and she said, Mom, for my 16th birthday, the only thing I want this skincare range. She totally loves the skincare range because she have a very sensitive skin, and she's allergic to everything. Once she went to MAC, you know, to where they do that makeup for you for the day, they use their makeup cleaner to take off a thing, old makeup. Her eyes popped out like that because she is so allergic to other skincare stuff. This is really a great skincare range. Then when people say they haven't got the money for the nutrition, then you can tell them, if you use the home care, you use the skincare, you save money on there, then you use that money to buy your breakfast pack. Okay. So that's a way of getting people to use the nutritionals as well. And once you use the breakfast pack and you see how good you feel, man, you get addicted. Like this one guy tonight said to Chris, yeah, your wife got me addicted to these products. He can't go without the Elevate anymore. He use it when he go to the gym. Okay, then basic steps. The business is simple, but it's not easy because you work with people. Okay, the first thing, use your products. Why would you use it? Because you're going to save money. The next thing, you need to educate yourself and get you on all the support groups. The third thing, you first share your business with people, because when people say no to the business, you can always share the products. But if you first share the products and people don't want to use the products, you can never go back to business. So I always give people the opportunity to register and to start doing the business. If they then say to me, oh, they're not interested in the business, I have enough money, or I don't have time, or whatever the reason is, then you can say, right, I totally understand it, but won't you try our products? And that's why I make the goodie bags as well, because I give people a goodie bag and say, try the products, and see for yourself. When you do business, when you start the business, at first your bonuses aren't going to be that big, so you're not going to get a lot of money out of there. You will get more money from selling a product, the profit you make. But the longer you're in the business, the more downlines you get, that bonuses is going to outgrow the profit which you make on your products. So if you want to earn the big money, you need to build the business. Like Louis and Laverne on Saturday, their 13th check was $68,000. Just once of 13th check. And you never make that money from selling products. But if you build yourself a huge business, then you can make that type of money. Okay. Oh, this is just Tracy.
Hi, I'm Tracy, I'm from London, and I'd like to introduce you to our Golden LDC. It's an organic light duty cleaner. You can actually use this for your vegetables, dishwashing, shaving, bubble bath, hand soap. You can clean the surfaces with it. It's used for all different types of product, all different cleaning items. But there's also markings on the bottle. It's highly concentrated. You only need to put a tiny little drop in the bottom. Then you just fill the rest with water. And I'm actually going to demonstrate you how we actually wash a vegetable with it. This is a organic broccoli that I've just opened and unsealed. You can see the organic seal on the packet. If I take that off, you can actually see there is actually slight grey colouring to it, and that is just the coating that is on top of the broccoli. When you buy an organic broccoli, you can actually, just means that you can actually wash the surface and clean the actual pesticide that's actually on the top of the product. I'm going to show you our LDC and how it works. I'm going to pour some water in the sink with a couple of drops of LDC. You can see that it froths up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse the broccoli with the LDC. And what I'm going to do, for just a moment, I'm actually going to first show you what happens beforehand. If you can watch this for a moment, I'm going to show you that as you pour the water on, you can actually see the water actually runs over the top of the broccoli. It doesn't go through it. It's a bit like an umbrella covering, really, to protect the broccoli from all the insects. But we're going to show you that you can actually wash that off before you actually eat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just gently wash it in the LDC. Just give it a couple of little swishes round. And what you will actually see is I'm now going to rinse it back off again. And what you will actually see is, first of all, is look at the colour difference between the two products. One is dark green and one is very grey. So what I'm actually going to show you is how the water no longer pours just over the top. You can actually see that the water runs through the broccoli itself. And once I've rinsed the LDC off, you will actually again be able to see correctly the difference in the colour of the broccoli. And that's just to show you, if you pour that one over the top, you can actually see again that runs over and that one runs through.
Right. So that's always a great thing to show people. If you can go and see people one-on-one, explain a little bit of business, you can do a broccoli demo and show them the quality of the product. But like I said, your names list is your asset. So it's very important that you go and sit down and write a list of names of at least 200 people you like to invite for this business. You include their name and their phone number, and then you make a column for comments. Where did you meet people? Well, I haven't got names anymore because I, like over the years, invited everybody I know, since school to university to sport. That's why I play so much tennis now, that I can meet new people, that I can start making a new names list. Everywhere where I go, I meet people and I take their numbers. So it's good to write in the comment, where did I meet this person at the Canterbury tournament? I meet that person when we played against them in Worthing, and so on. So you wherever you meet people, I put their name in my phone and where did I meet them, or something about them that I can go back and know that I have to contact them again. And like we said, if you meet people, follow up within 24 hours, make an appointment to meet them or to go for a coffee, or just say it was nice meeting you. I normally, after I met people, I sent them a little message and said, it was great meeting you. Thank you for the nice chat. We will definitely be in contact. Just that people remember you. So Yeah, the inviting formula is first, you need to connect. We have the war market, which is your family, occupation, recreation, and money, all that type of people. Always remember to give a sincere compliment. These days, life is hard enough that we have to pull people down. There is always something positive you can say about a person. It can't be all negative. There must be something nice you can say to a person, and never lie to people. So don't say to people, oh, you have a lovely dress on. And in the meanwhile, you think, wow, that's a terrible dress. People can see it in your face and in your eyes if you lie to them. So your compliment must be sincere. Then discover the need. Ask people questions like, tell me more. Lots of people have big struggles these days, and they want to tell you about it. So give them the opportunity to tell you about it and see where you can help. And you can say, what do you mean by that? So that they tell you a little bit more. Yes, it's good. People want to talk. So the third thing, then you can invite them. You can ask them, if I knew a solution, would you try it? So if a person is tired, you can say, if I knew a solution, would you try an Elevate sample? Or, if they have a rash, if I know the solution and I give you some aloe vera gel, would you try it? So, always try and help them that way. So be sure then to send or give them a sample, a video, a link, or invite them to an event. We have so many events coming up. I posted all that events of Louis, which is coming up. Even if you can't go, Chris and I are at every evening of Louis' events. So you just let me know and say, I sent Mr. So-and-so to the event in Tunbridge. If you know somebody in Tunbridge, send them to Tunbridge. Chris and I will look after them for you. If you know somebody in Birmingham, send them to the meeting. Chris and I will look after them. In Oxford, we're going to have a great meeting in Oxford at Frank and Bev's house. Send the people. But just let me know, and then we will look after them for you. And then also Roberto is coming on the 8th of June to the UK, the scientist from Italy. It's a brilliant event to invite all your medical people, because his information is so good and you can ask him anything. He is working as part of the scientist for about 20 plus years already. Then your fourth thing is the follow-up. Check in, and please, within 24 hours. It's very important that you do it within 24 hours. And then you can ask them, what did you like best? Don't ask people, did you like it? Or give them a gap to say, no, they didn't like it. Our questions must be positive questions which we ask to get a positive response. Because, everybody is so negative these days. I don't know. It's time that we start look at the bright side of life. So let's be positive about it. Then attend all events. Your action plan is, there is 3 daily success habits, like use the products, share the business, share the products. That's your 3 daily success habits. Then attend the next New Life meeting. You must know which is your next meeting. Your next meeting actually is now when Louis comes. That's your next meeting. 1 home meeting a week. I know it's difficult now. We do lots of the home meetings on Zoom, but that also counts for a home meeting. Try and organize a home meeting. Even if you get 3 or 4 people, you can contact Chris or me. We can do a Killers in the Kitchen for you online. We can do, the skincare isn't that easy. The skincare is more hands-on. When we have our Women's Day, we're going to do a pampering morning. We'll show you how nice that is to do. And then we can do any health talk you want. If you want a cholesterol talk, or you want a diabetes talk, or you want a blood pressure talk, or you want a sports talk, or a weight management talk, we can do them all on Zoom. You can invite a few people, do it on Zoom. Try and do demonstrations with people every week. Your first aim is to develop your downline 3 levels deep. So Carla, for you, for instance, Natalie is your downline. Your aim should be to get Natalie a downline as soon as possible. And once you have a downline for Natalie, you and Natalie must try and get a downline for that downline. So you try, and we call it go 3 levels deep. Okay. So that anchor your business. The quicker you can anchor your business by going deep, the more your business will be successful. Also, you get referrals from friends and customers. People who say, man, I'm not interested in business or what. And you can say, right, do you maybe know of a person who would be interested? With all the petrol prices going up, the heating going up, everything going up, people don't mind to make 500-600 pound extra a month. The work involved is 5 to 10 hours a week, especially when you're new in the business because you haven't got a team to work with yet. But your work would be to sit and do your names list, sit and do your dream chart. And then, let's start contacting the people for you, or organize a home meeting or a Zoom meeting or a 3-way call. That is your work at the moment. So talk to people daily. Use social media and blogs if you know how to use it. And know your next step. You must know, Carla, your next step is senior manager. Natalie's next step is manager. Right, this is the terminology. PV means point value. Every product have a point value. Like Pro Vitality is 34 PV. That's the point value. QPV is qualifying point value. Like if you qualify as a manager, that's 500 PV. Then we call it qualifying manager. But say next month you only do 300 PV. Nothing will happen. You're just not qualifying. Okay. Then BV is business volume. Your bonuses get worked out on your business volume, on the BV. SRP is a customer price. DP is distributor price. MP is the member's price. Then you get an upline sponsor. That is the person who sponsored you into the business. Like Carla, I am your upline sponsor. And Natalie, Carla is your upline sponsor. Downline is Carla is my downline. Natalie, you are Carla's downline. That's just terminology when you talk about things. Crossline. Crossline is people who are not in your business, but in your life. Like Frank and Bev. They're your crossline. They're in this business, but they're not in your business, although we're all in the same team. Okay. So just that you know, it's other people in your business. And what we always say to people is you moan upline and you work downline. So if you have anything negative to say, contact me. I can take it and you can pack it all out. It's fine. I listen to it. But you don't moan downline because then you make your own downlines negative. And you never ever work crossline. You do not go and interfere in any other person's business which is in your crossline. You're friendly to one another and you can chat to one another, but you do not interfere in one another's business. Okay, that's just professional. Okay. This is the steps. Everybody start as a distributor. Okay? So your first step is manager. That is when you do 500 PV point value in 1 month. After manager is senior manager. That is when you do 1,000 point value in 1 month. You don't have to do them all. You can do them by bringing in other people in the business. I'll explain it a little bit later. Then your next step is executive manager. Executive manager is 2,000 points in 1 month. Then you get to director. Director is 4,000 points in 1 month. After director, you get emerald director. An emerald director is a director which qualified 3 months in a row. Then you become an emerald director. World team is where you get the ruby, 1 ruby, 2 ruby, 3 ruby. We, in the world team, we are 2 ruby. Okay. So just to give you an idea. Louis is president's team. He's 2 diamond. Okay. Just to give you an idea. Then Louis' upline is Charlie Bolton in South Africa. He's the number 1 distributor in the world. He is a 5 diamond. He do like $1 million plus turnover pounds per day, just to give you an idea. So we always say you can earn £5, you can earn £50, you can earn £500, you can earn £5,000, you can earn £50,000, you can earn £500,000. You must just decide how much you want. Okay. This is the bonuses, how you earn the bonuses. Okay, in Europe, we do not have a 3% bonus. That is not in Europe. That is Africa and America. Okay, we don't have that. With us, when you do 500 point value, you get a 5% bonus. It's get worked out of the BV. Remember I said business volume? The bonus, that 5% get worked out of your BV. When you do 1,000, you get a 10% bonus. When you do 2,000, you get 15%, 3,000, 20%, 4,000, 25%. So it is a sliding scale. Okay, but it's a little bit more complicated than this. I'll give you an idea. Say, Carla, you do 1,000 points, of which Natalie do 500 points. Then she get 5% bonus. You get 5% on your own 500 you do to make up the 1,000. And you get the difference between 10 and 5, which is 5% on her 500. You see, so it's a little bit more complicated. It's not as straightforward as that, but it just shows you that is the sliding scale on how it works. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But if you go to the compensation plan on your website, that green book, they explain it very complicated in detail if you want to know it. I really don't go into it. I just do my very best and get the maximum which I can. That's more for Chris. He likes things like that. That's Joanne's area.
Yes.
Okay. Let's quickly show you what is, how do we do it. So we first start building one leg. Like you start with you, then you get your first downline, you get your second downline, third, and you go on. And that is what we call you build a leg and you go deep. So you go, that's why I say go 3 deep, 1, 2, 3 deep. So you anchor your business. Okay. And you build that leg until you get about to 2,000 points. Then you're going to start a second leg. You can start your second leg earlier if you have time to work with them, but most people tell you they haven't got the time. So then we advise them to build one leg, get to 2,000, build your next leg. Because the plus of doing a leg like this is the following. If we do a meeting for that person, it counts for that one, that one, that one. Okay, you see that. If we do a meeting for that person, it only counts for that person. If we do a meeting there, it only counts for that person. But if you build a leg like that, and you keep on doing a meeting at the bottom of the leg, that is how you build a taproot, because it helps everybody in that leg by doing a meeting there. Okay. So always keep that in mind. So your aim is your next meeting is for Natalie to do a meeting. If she can't do it at her house, try and do it on Zoom. But organize a meeting as soon as possible that she can get a downline. Okay. What is a 3 in 30? A 3 in 30 is this. Okay. Is when this is you start. And if you start 3 people in 1 month, and each of them do 100 PV, then we call it a 3 in 30. Lots of times they have incentives for 3 in 30s. At the moment, you can win Elevate by doing this. So if you can sponsor 3 people this month and each one do 100 PV, I think you can win an Elevate. Just check on the website exactly there. I'm not trying to do this because I have too many people to work with at the moment. So a 3 in 30 for me now would be suicide. So, but go and look and see. If you're new in the business, your quickest way to, when Chris and I started the business, we did 6 3 in 30s in a row for 6 months. Sorry. So that way we got 6 times 3 is 18 people in our business, and we went director within 6 months of starting the business. But that is when you do it quickly. They say you can either do it long and it's more painful, or you can do it quickly and it's less painful. Okay, steps to director. When you're a director in South Africa, you earn 10,000 plus per month. In the UK, you earn 800 plus per month. Actually, when you get to director is there, that's where you start earning better money. I mean, with £800 a month, you can do something. With £50 a month, you can only go and eat out. Okay, so just to give you an idea. So the quicker you get to director, the quicker you actually make some money. Right, this is how you go manager. If you start the business, you try and get yourself 3 people. If you do 125 PV, each of them 125 PV, you're a manager. It adds up to 500. You can do it, you do 200, each do 100, 100, 100, add up to 500, you're a manager. You don't have to do it alone. You can actually, for 500 PV, you can do 100, 100, 100, 100, get another person doing 100. You also at 500 PVs, you're a manager. Okay. But the secret here is you always have to do your own personal 100 PVs, because the business is developed that way that you can't ride off somebody else's back. Okay. So you can't sit at home, do nothing, and think everybody else is going to work and you're going to get the benefit. You have to do something yourself as well. So that's why we always say, if you want to earn a bonus, if you didn't do your own 100 PV, you can't earn a bonus. You need a personal 100 PV. 100 PV isn't a lot. It's 2 Pro Vitalities and 2 shakes. So, if you just use that, then you do 100 PV. It's just to make sure that you use your own products as well. Right. Senior manager, you can do 250. You can get 3 people in your business, each doing 250. You do 1,000 and you've done it. You're a senior manager. Or you can get yourself 9 other people, everybody do 100, you do 1,000. It's up to you, whichever way you want to do it. As long as your total add up to 1,000 PV, of which you just had to do your own 100. You can do 100 and you can get yourself 2 other people, one do 500, one do 400, you do your 100, 1,000, and you are a senior manager. Okay. And the same with executive manager. You can do 500, you get 3 people, each do 500, you do 2,000, you're executive manager. Okay. So as long as you total up to that 2,000 PV, you're executive manager, of which you only have to do 100. Okay. This is how I went director. I did 1,000 personal points. It was me and I had a few customers at the running club. And we did 1,000 points. Then I had my mom and dad in the business. My mom is still in the business. And I gave them a target of 1,000. They did 1,000. I had Herman, which did the training tonight. He is 33 years in the business already with me. I had them doing 1,000. And I had another guy who's not with me anymore, who was one of my tennis buddies in Queenstown in South Africa. And we each did 1,000. It totaled up to 4,000. And I was a director. Okay. That is how easy it is to do the business. That's why it's good to get in quality people in your business people who can afford the products, who can use the products regularly. They are health conscious. They're going to use their cleaning products. They're going to use the skincare products. 1,000 points isn't difficult to use. Chris and I, by ourselves, we use about 600-700 PV per month because we use every product which is there. Right, now how to log into your web shop. By now, Carla, you know how to log in. Natalie, you know how to log in. You know that our country code is 14, then your 6-digit one there for username and the 4-digit one, which is your password. Okay, you go to www, you can go newlifeshop.com or you can just go newlife.com. It doesn't have to be New Life Shop, but they all bring you to New Life. Okay, this is where to get your links. All right, you log in and you see there's 3 little stripes. You click on that 3 little stripes. Then you see your account. You see there is also my team. Once your team grow, you can click on that team and that give you your new distributors, your new customers, your turnover, everything is in that team. Resources, there you will see all the resources on the products. There is PDFs and videos and everything else. And then you can get to the account. When you press on account, there's a thing which says manage my websites. And when you click on there, that is when you get your distributor link. You click on that, you get your distributor link and you get your members link. Okay. You happy with that?
I think so.
Otherwise, just take a photo, that you have a photo of this, that you can follow it.
You're sending the recording to us, are you not?
Okay, I'll send you the recording as
Then
well.
it can, yeah.
Okay. Right, then, what you can expect from me, I think this is quite important that we know, is I will ensure you know where to find the relevant resources. I already told you lots of the stuff, where to find them. The best possible training and the right events. So you all know about the trainings Monday night. I post the links. I make sure everybody know about it. And also about the upcoming events. I will invest the time and effort in you. One thing is for certain though, I will never work harder on your business than what you are prepared to work yourself. Because there's no point of me putting hours and hours in your business and you tell me you only have half an hour a week. You will see once your business grow, you put in the time with the people who wants to grow a business. Okay. I judge people on their actions and not on their words. I hate it when my family, they say, oh, I love you so very much. And when your first time you phone, you say, hey, man, can you quickly do this for me? Oh, no, sorry, I can't, I always say, don't tell me you love me. Show me that you love me. So I'm a person for actions. I'm not a person for words. I will also always answer the call. If I don't, it means I really can't at that stage. I may be driving or I'm at the dentist or I'm somewhere. I will always aim to get back to you within 24 hours. Right, what I expect from you is to give this business at least 12 months of consistent work and effort. Because, if you don't do it consistently, it's like pumping water at a well. If you pump that water and you maybe next week you get a thing and you don't feel like pumping, that water fall back into the well, and the third day you come and you pump all over again. Okay, so this is doing little bit every day, and that's how this business grow. It doesn't help to do 1 week of lots of business and then for a month you're gone. Then when you come back, you sort of start again. Okay. To be 100 personal PV active user every month, to attend the recommended trainings and events in the best of your ability. I understand things come up and you can't always, but to the best of your ability. To be coachable and approach everything with an open mind and a positive attitude. Communicate goes both ways. If I try to reach out to you, please reply at your earliest convenience. Okay, and then we nearly finish. What you can expect from yourself is I commit to be 100 personal PV active user every month. I commit to attend all events and trainings and support the meetings and events put together by the company or my upline, because we really do try, to give you the best, that there are enough meetings that you have to invite people to prospect consistently, enroll people regularly, and become professional as soon as possible. Learn the necessary skills, make one less mistake every day, and get better and better and better. I like that, get better and better and better. And here's the last bit.
Welcome to the Neolife family. We're so blessed and excited for you to be joining the team. I want to take a moment to talk about who we are and what we do as a company. There are 3 things that together make us unique. 3 things that we do better than anyone else. Number 1 is that we are family owned and we treat you like family. And you'll see as you get to know us. Number 2 is that we manufacture and sell high quality nutrition products without compromise. These are whole food based cellular nutrition, non-GMO and clinically proven. We have a scientific advisory board made up of world-class doctors, scientists, and researchers who really sit at the helm of Neolife's product strategy and development, and they ensure each and every one of our leading-edge formulas are based in nature and backed by science, using only the finest and safest ingredients. So they're the ones who decide what products we formulate and launch, not our marketing team. We're not interested in the latest fad or trend just for the sake of making an extra buck. We make products that fill true health needs, and that in and of itself is very unique. We offer a wide range of nutritional supplements, as well as earth-friendly home cleaners and organic skincare and hair and body care. Number 3 is our unmatched personal growth through our ultimate low-risk business startup and transformative community. Our community is our secret sauce. We'll often hear people talk about how they don't recognize themselves and who they become in the next 1 year, 5 years, 10 years down the road because of what happens when we surround ourselves with people who truly want to see you be the best version of yourself. I also want to quickly touch on our business model. We make incredible products, and there are a couple of ways people can have access to these products. They can shop as a customer just like anywhere else, and as part of our community, they'll also have access to both in-person and virtual events to learn about all things wellness. And we also offer the ultimate low-risk business startup for those who want to share good health and make some extra money. It's kind of like a tech startup, but with nutrition. And we lower the barriers to entry by providing all the business infrastructure like warehousing, accounting, operations, product development, and R&D. So for a very low cost, anyone can get started as a distributor and launch their own business. Whether it's spare time as a side gig, part-time, or full-time, we are here to offer training, guidance, and support to our distributors. It's so exciting to witness how oftentimes distributors get started as a plan B to supplement their income, and that can quickly become a plan A when they share their passion for helping as many people as possible, sometimes even building large businesses that can span multiple countries. We're a worldwide nutrition company operating in over 50 countries, in business since 1958, trusted by millions of satisfied customers and business partners. And our mission is to give everyone the power to live healthier and happier lives. Healthy doesn't have to be hard. We make it clean and simple. I want to thank you for playing an important role in Neolife's future. Regardless of what that is, just know that each and every day you are making a huge difference in the lives of people around the world and helping us to end the trend of poor health and financial stress.
Right, so go for it. You've got this.
Thank